Hello guys, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today we are going to discuss about bake formation and blending. But before moving on to the topic, if you are new in this channel, please do subscribe my channel for the latest videos about English and about other interesting subjects. Now, what is bake formation? It is a process in which a noun and verb is reduced to a shorter form is called bake formation. And in this process, a noun becomes verb and verb becomes noun. Now, the first example, like donate. Donate was a verb, now it became donation, so it became noun. And the second example, like television, it was a noun, now it became verb, televoice. And the third example, OPT, it was a verb, now it became noun, so it is option now. There are many other examples like emote, it was a verb, it became emotion, so now it became noun. And the second, like there is other example like babysit. Babysit is a verb, but now it became noun, babysitter. But one thing should be remembered here, like there are many nouns ending at er or ar or or are reduced to form verbs, like worker. Worker is a noun, now it became verb, work. The same editor. Editor is a noun, now it became verb, edit. The same like rider. Rider is a noun, now it became verb, ride. Swimmer. Swimmer is a noun, it became swim, it became verb. The same creator, noun, create, verb. So these all are the examples of bake formation. What is blending? When two or more words are combined in such a form to make a new word is called blending. Point to be noted that blending is different from compounding. In compounding, words are unbroken, while in blending, words are broken. This is the main point that should be remembered, that in confounding, words are unbroken, but in blending, words are broken. For example, smoke plus fog is equal to smoke, smog. So now here, the first two letters of smoke, SM, and the last two letters of fog, so it became smog. The second example, like breakfast plus lunch is equal to brunch. So now the same, like the first two letters BR or breakfast, then the last four letters UNCH, it became like brunch. And the third example, spoon plus fork, it became spork. And the fourth example, motor plus hotel, it became motel. And the fifth example, modulator plus demodulator is equal to modem. But here is a special note, that mostly in blending, the beginning of one word and the end of the other word is taken. For example, like sometimes first root or last root is combined, is not shortened. Now here two examples I have given, like breath plus analyzer, now it became breathalyzer. And the second example, cranberry plus apple. Now what is cranberry plus apple? It became cran apple. Breathalyzer means in this word the first root is completed, is not shortened. But like a breath analyzer is a device used by police for measuring the amount of alcohol in a driver's breath. So I hope you have gotten today's lesson. If you have any question about blending and about bake formation, please ask freely in comment section. See you in next video. and please share this video with your friends as well. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.